Hello everyone. Today I am excited to share a project that builds on a modern agentic framework, Langgraph, a system that goes beyond traditional chatbot interactions. This is not just about talking to a large language model, it's about empowering the LLM to act intelligently, to call tools, perform tasks, and make decisions dynamically. For example, it can send messages, trigger emails, perform OCRs on images, and even extract meaningful content from them, all automatically as part of a single intelligent workflow. Before diving into the architecture, let's take a tour of my application. So let's log out. To access the application, first we have to register by entering the full name, username, and password. Then we can log into the system. Let's log in to the system with my credential. So after login, you will navigate to the dashboard. So this is the chatbot dashboard, and here we see different threads are running, and we can create new thread by clicking this plus icon and start conversation. So here we have some example prompts. So let's do this, and we are sending the message and triggering the LLM, and LLM will perform the task. So this is the response. So it is calling a tool that is Wikipedia, and this is the message. There is a eye icon. Here we can get the information about the metadata, like number of tokens are used, and which model is used, and by which provider. So let me show some good example which I triggered previously. So this is the example what using this where I am using the WhatsApp tool to send the message, and you can see it is triggering one tool, and this is the metadata, and after successful of sending the message, it is giving this type of response. And this is the OCR example, and it is using this extract text from file tool and find out and do the OCR and extract the text and give the output. Also we have the setting option where we can change the password. Let's see the trace from the Langgraph. So let's navigate to our last conversation, and this is where we had triggered the Wikipedia. So here we can see the complete workflow. So let's discuss about the architecture. At its core, it has a worker node that handles the main conversational logic. This worker node communicates with two-level LLM binding, meaning it understands when and how the tool can be used. And these are the different tools we have, and you can see the Wikipedia tool is called here. So then the output from the worker is routed intelligently either back through the tools node, which wrap and execute registered tools, and directly to the evaluation node. The evaluation node plays a crucial role. It reviews the outcome and decide what do next. So this is the evaluator node. In if more processing is needed, it looks back to the worker node for further works. If goal has been achieved, then it simply terminates the process. So in short, this architecture represents a loop intelligent reasoning and actions where the LLM does not just respond, it thinks, acts, and evaluates. This is what makes the workflow truly agentic. Thank you.